Hey yo everybody, what a fine day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video and I want to thank you guys for choosing our YouTube channel App Tutorial for watching this video, and I won't disappoint you guys because by the end of this video your problem will be solved, which is on how you guys can deposit Ethereum into Metamask. So there's two ways to deposit Ethereum into Metamask, which I'm going to be talking about shortly in this video. But before that, for those people who do not know Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap, and it has around half a trillion, market cap on Ethereum. So basically its current value is around $4,200, but it's crypto, so its value goes up and its values goes down. So when you're watching the video, its value might be up or its value might be down. So yeah, since Ethereum is really popular crypto, I think it's gonna go up. But hey, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my advice, alright? So let's get into the video. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And let's jump right into the video. So the first way to deposit Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet is to transfer it through other place like Binance, Coinbase, and other exchange or other place where you guys have stored your crypto. You can transfer in your crypto from other place into your MetaMask wallet. That's one way to do it. How you guys can do it, go to ETH, or also known as Ethereum, and click on receive and then click on copy. Once you copy it, you can paste this wallet address to the place where you guys are going to receive your Ethereum from, alright? And the other way is to buy it. How you guys can do that is just come over here, click on buy, and then click on buy ETH with Transact. So right now, Transact is the only way through which you guys can buy Ethereum in MetaMask. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Transact. Over here, you can enter the amount you want to use to buy Ethereum and click on buy now. And after entering your payment detail over here, basically your Ethereum will be bought and will be stored in your MetaMask wallet. All right. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can deposit Ethereum on your MetaMask. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And it's me, App Tutorial, signing out. Bye bye.